First of all, I want to tell you that there are only 7 question types in PT exam which are actually important and gives you maximum score. You can see on your screen there are 7 most important question types in PT. First of all, in speaking module, there are read aloud and repeat sentence, and reading module, reading writing blanks and reading filling the blanks, and in listening module, listening filling the blanks, highlight incorrect words and write from dictation. Trust me, these are the only 7 question types that are really important in PT exam, and that gives you maximum score. You see, in which I have not mentioned writing module, which include essay and summary, etc. The reason is that it's not a priority question type in PT. Yes. And trust me, I hardly practice for writing module and get 90 in writing and 90 in listening, because the maximum marks in writing come from other 3 modules. So please give you your maximum time to these 7 question types, and you will definitely achieve 8 band in your next exam. In speaking module, work on read aloud and repeat sentence only. In reading writing blanks and reading filling the blanks are important. And last, in listening module, listening filling the blanks, highlight incorrect words and write from dictation will give you the maximum score. I will give you working tips and tricks for each question type, and if you follow these for 15 days continuously, you will definitely get your desired score. So firstly, read aloud. It is your first question in your exam, and it will contribute 30 to 35 marks towards your reading and 30 to 35 marks towards your speaking. The actual problem that I face primarily, and I think all of you are facing, is that how we read the paragraph and what reading speed we should follow in read aloud. So as you can see, first of all, don't speak too slow or too fast. And second one, clarity of word is must. I will give you the demo by reading the following paragraph. Please match your speed with me and follow the same speed and rhythm when you practice. So we start. Modern buildings have to achieve certain performance requirements, at least to satisfy those of building codes, to provide a safe, healthy and comfortable environment. However, these conditioned environments demand resources in energy and materials, which are both limited in supply to build and operate. So you see, please match the rhythm and speed. Don't go very fast and don't go very slow. No intonation is required, and speak at one pace or same rhythm. You get very high score in read aloud. Secondly, speak without fumble and hesitation, and thinking about words, how to pronounce will affect your scores tremendously. So fluency is a key in every question type in speaking module. As I see in my all exams, easy words come in the real test as compared to other practice apps such as App Uni. So don't need to worry about that. If you are not good in your pronunciation, work on it so that you will not hesitate when you speak the words. Don't try to speak in foreign accent. It is the most important thing. Keep it natural and clear. The most important in read aloud is that you must speak at one pace or same rhythm. It means avoid intonations in your speaking. No need to speak loudly or making your voice up and down. There are many apps available online where you can check or judge your voice rhythm. I hope you are understanding the trick of read aloud. Still, if you are struggling with the technique, you can join our one-to-one live classes. Our course is available at a very reasonable fees, which is just available at 7,999 per month. And good news for all, for first-time students, it is available for just 6,999 per month. So message me or WhatsApp me as soon as possible on my WhatsApp number to book your seat for this month. The mobile number and the WhatsApp number is given in the below in the description box. So now let's move further. Now we have repeat sentence. key and working tips for repeat sentence is simple and mostly the same as read aloud. So it is your second question in your exam, and it will also contribute 30 to 35 marks towards your speaking and 30 to 35 marks towards your listening. So the first two techniques are the same. Don't speak too slow or too fast, and clarity of words is must. Speak without fumble and hesitation. The third point, which is the most important in repeat sentence, is that focus on only 50% to 60% content for long sentences and try to speak full for easy and short sentences without any fumble. Yes, you listen right. 50% to 60% content is important with fluency. I speak just 2 or 3 short sentences full in my last exam, and I got 82 in speaking and 90 in listening. Trust me, speaking less doesn't affect your listening score. It's a myth. Just speak clearly whatever you listen. Just listen 50% to 60% and speak fluently. It will give you full marks. If you are struggling with remembering the words, then try to understand the meaning of sentence first, and then it will definitely help you to speak fluently. I will give you the demo how you can attempt repeat sentences. So first one is easy one. Like that. A computer virus destroyed all my files. On short sentences, you can try to speak full, and for long sentences, just listen 50% to 60% and speak fluently. Like that. The Genetic Biology Technology Lab or the Genetic Biology Technology Lab in the north, or you can speak Biology Technology Lab is in the north wing of the library, like that. Just listen less and speak less strategy in the repeat sentence. I hope you are understanding the trick of repeat sentence. So practice as much as you can for repeat sentence, especially for these two question types. Improve your listening by watching English movies and listening BBC or other podcasts. In my course, I will give you downloadable English podcast which you can listen daily on your phone or in your car. So, without further delay, next to move question on the filling the blanks, which is contributing to your reading and your writing. Nowadays, approximately 90% of questions which are coming in exams are totally based on context. Therefore, a range of vocabulary and a lot of practice must be needed for reading and writing filling the blanks. Try to understand the paragraph first and then try to choose the options. To be honest, no shortcut for this type of question. Work on your English. Also, nowadays, you will allot only 25 to 26 minutes total time to finish reading module. Yes, only 25 to 26 minutes. So please manage your time properly. And according to my knowledge, if you follow this time, you can definitely achieve your target score. So you can note on your notebook or you can take snapshot of this video. Reading, writing blanks, 2.5 minutes each question. There are 5 questions will come nowadays and it will take 13 minutes total. Then reorder questions, you can only spend 1.5 minutes to each question, and there are 2 questions will come and the 3 minutes total. Now next one is reading blanks, 2 minutes each question. There are 5 questions will come and it is 10 minutes total. So overall 26 minutes, in which 26 minutes you can complete your reading task. And beside that, don't spend even a single second on other questions in reading module. And the last one is noun, adjective, adverbs, verbs, active voice, passive voice, prepositions, knowledge really help you to solve the blanks. Okay, hope you understand. So next one is key and working tips for reading filling the blanks. It contribute only reading module. The first one is reading and writing, and this one is only for reading. It is the same. Nowadays, approximately 90% of questions which are coming in exam are totally based on context. I hope you understand what about context. Therefore, a range of vocabulary and lot of practice must be needed for reading filling the blanks. First of all, try to understand the paragraph first and then try to choose the options. Again, no shortcut for this type of questions. Work on your English only. The only good thing is that in this question type, that small paragraphs and less options are coming these days, so you can easily choose the right option. This question type is little bit easy as compared to reading, writing, filling the blanks. So, and the last, grammar, noun, adjective, adverbs, verbs, active voice, passive voice, preposition knowledge really helps to solve the blanks. In our course, I will guide you how to solve the blanks with right technique. Okay. So if you face any difficulty, so please join our course. Now next question is module is listening filling the blanks. It is the first question type in our listening module. The key and working tips for listening filling the blanks is this. Time management is must in listening module first of all, because these days only 20 to 23 minutes are allotted for this module. So if you practice on App Uni, you can see a big difference in your real exam. In real exam, you have only 20 to 23 minutes are allotted for this module. So manage your time properly in this module. If you don't manage your time properly and spend a lot of time on unnecessary questions, there will be very less time left for you to complete right from dictation. It is the king question in the whole PT exam because it contributes around 30 to 35 marks towards your listening and same marks to writing. There are some tips from my side for you to save the time. First of all, practice to type answer directly in listening filling the blanks. It saves a lot of time. Second one, don't waste even a single second on multiple choice, multiple and single, and select missing words question types. These are the dummy modules and the dummy questions. And the spelling practice is must so that you don't think a lot before writing. So these are the some tips. By using, you can save a lot of time. So if your writing speed and the typing speed is good, then practice to type answer directly in listening filling the blanks. Now next one is highlight incorrect words. It contributes to listening and reading, in which try to understand different accent with fast speed. Okay. If you don't match, then match the speaking speed of speaker with your reading speed. This is the key. Don't stuck on one word if you don't understand, otherwise the remaining part will lost, definitely. Okay. So this question type contribute 10 to 15 marks according to number of questions to listening and reading module both. It is a simple task if your listening capability is good, and practice 2 or 3 questions daily is enough to complete this question. Okay. So the main point in this question type is try to understand different accent with fast speed. Okay. You can easily identify the answers. Now the last one is write from dictation. It is very important question. As I said, this question is most important in terms of listening and writing score. It contributes around 30 to 35 marks in both listening and writing section. So please save enough time for this module. Nowadays 3 questions are coming. First 2 questions are approximately 10 to 12 words long, and third and last question is little bit longer and difficult. Therefore, try to save at least 1.5 minutes for last question. Okay. The best working tip to solve this question type is to try to write first 2 letters of each word, and at the same time repeat the sentence again and again in your mind after listening carefully. Okay, and also try to understand the meaning. It will really help to solve the question. A lot of rumors spread all around about adding extra word in writing filling the blanks right from dictation, sorry. So trust me, you can add extra words in which you have confusion in any order. No negative marking, trust me, no negative marking for adding extra words. I added 6 or 7 extra words in each question in my last exam, and I got 19 listening and 19 writing. So trust me, you can add extra words as you can, okay, in which you have confusion. Don't try to add unnecessary words like the, a, and, okay. So this is the working tips for write from dictation. Now, as I said, the golden tip in the end of my video. This golden tip is for those students who stuck on 60 or 17 speaking and listening after attempting 2 or more exams and need 79 plus 8 band. So my advice for such type of student is that change your exam center and always prefer Pearson professional centers, as I experienced the same. I waste my lot of time by giving exams from private centers due to separate cabin facility. But trust me, the separate cabin doesn't matter at all. The thing that matters is only the equipment, which are computer and handphone, okay, and other. I felt very depressed when I got 17 speaking and 17 listening 4 times in a row after doing my best. So then last time I decided to change the center, and surprisingly I got 19 listening and writing and 82 in speaking because of the center. Okay, so please choose your exam center very carefully. It's very, very, very important. Who stuck 60 or 17 speaking and listening after attempting many exams. So this golden tip for those students. If you still need some further help to ace your score, so please call me from my mobile number. You can text me on my WhatsApp number, and you can also email me on pteacademicsmartprep@gmail.com. You can join over 1-to-1 online classes by paying only just 7,999, and for first 10 students it will 6,999. I will make sure that all of you get your desired score in the first attempt. My advice is that please don't waste your hard-earned money by giving exam again and again. I will guide you in the right direction and share each and every strategy and trick to crack your PT exam with 79 plus. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, PTE Academic Smart Prep. If you find my video useful, please like, share and comment below so that I can make more useful video to guide you in the right direction.